Hello, friends. Today I'll be discussing a question of immunology with you. So here's the question, and see the answers and write the answer in your copy. A 12-year-old girl with a systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis develops persistent high-grade fever, hepatosplenomegaly, altered sensorium, and mucosal bleeding. Lab evaluation shows marked hyperferritinemia. That means serum ferritin level is more than 15,000 nanogram per ml. Pancytopenia, elevated liver enzymes, high triglyceride, and low fibrinogen. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? The options are macrophage activation syndrome, disseminated intravascular coagulation, septic shock, and autoimmune hepatitis. Well, I give you some time to think the answer, read it carefully, write down the answer in a copy. Although I'm going to the next slide to give you an answer, but if you need more time, you can stop the video to see it. So I hope by now you have written the answer. Answer is macrophage activated syndrome. Let's discuss this question in detail. So MAS is a life-threatening hyperinflammatory syndrome caused by uncontrolled activation of macrophages and cytotoxic T cell. Most commonly complicate systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis and adult onset stilt disease. Hallmark laboratory findings include very high serum ferritin, like in this case, pancytopenia, high triglyceride, hypofibrogenemia, and elevated transaminases. All these were there in our patient. Bone marrow may demonstrate hemophagocytic cytosis, although its absence does not rule out MAS. This is considered as a secondary form of hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis. Initial treatment consists of high dose of corticosteroid with anakinra, which is an interleukin-1 inhibitor. And anakinra we primarily use in refractory cases. Early recognition is essential because delayed treatment carries very high mortality. Always suspect MAS in a patient with SJIA who suddenly deteriorate and with extreme hyperferritinemia. So last minute revision point about macrophage activation syndrome, especially seen in patient of SJIA. Ferritin level is in 1000 of nanogram per ml. Pancytopenia, as you think about MS, unless prove otherwise, such a diagnostic feature. Thank you very much.